for me, as when I look back on that book, I think about that book. That is the time in the overall series where the issue of pure blood becomes very important. So yeah, maybe we'll wait for that.
What stands out most in this film?
It was scary. I've always thought Chamber of Secrets, people underestimate how scary that book is. And in fact, it's the book I've got bizarrely. Possibly because people got a Chamber of Secrets and didn't reading the rest of the book. So, and I think that's certainly translated to the screen. A couple of really frightening moments.
The visual effects are a huge part of bringing the magic to life. In this film we have Dobby, we have the Pixies, we have Fawkes, we have the Basilisk. What do you make of the effects in this movie?
Dobby's wonderful. Dobby's really, really good. And the Mandrake's superb. I really love the Mandrake.
Is that a big challenge for you, Steve, getting the effects, or getting those scenes right?
No, it's easy for me. I just write it and dream it, and someone else has to actually do it. No, but I'm amazed when we see something like The Mandrake, which is really, it's essentially puppetry.
Which part of Chamber of Secrets were you most excited to see on screen?
I was most worried about spiders, because you see these old sci-fi movies.